have a squid here. Great eyes, huge. It's a predator. Goes after fish. And you can find all the arms. How many arms do you think? 8. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, it is 8. You're right. And 2 tentacles. 9, 10. Well, those are not arms, those are tentacles. They are way longer, and they have even larger suction cups with which it grabs its prey. And you can even remove, so each suction cup has its own jaw. Check this out. The ring, like a crown, with teeth. Every single one has a jaw. Doesn't brush its teeth ever. But there we go. You can collect them all. So we have 2 tentacles, and very interesting, there's a big beak here. That's how it bites through its prey. It's made from 2 parts. It totally looks like a beak, like a parrot. It's very sharp. So we are going to find a siphon here. It's relatively easy to find. This is our siphon, and this is a mantle, very soft and slimy, and this is the main fin. It's using to swim, squeezing the water through the mantle, through the siphon, and propelling itself kind of backwards. So this is the ventral side, or some people call it posterior, and we're going to make a cut here. This is one of the easiest dissections you can only imagine. Squids are very soft, and the only hard part of the body is a pen, which we will find later. And here we are. So what we have here is 2 gills, and this is very shiny, large structure is a digestive gland. And in the middle of it, a single line is an ink sac. This one. It's kind of hard when you touch it. So on top of the ink sac, there is a rectum going right into the anus. Here and on the other side, it will go into the stomach, which has very pretty red color. On top of the stomach, or on the bottom, hearts. It's very hard to see them with the membranes, but squid has 3 different hearts. 2 bronchial hearts and 1 systemic. And they are just membrane structures. I don't know how well it will be visible on the video, but this gray area is a systemic heart, and it follows into 2 bronchial hearts. Bronchial hearts are harder. When you touch them, you can feel the muscle here and here. And right next to them, those white chunky structures are kidneys. Now we take a look at those white structures that I'm pointing on right now. Is digestive gland, a cecum, which is very large in squid, and what I'm holding right now with my fingers is nidamental glands, supporting glands that helps to form eggs. And what I'm rounding up right now is ovaries. It It's two of them. They are quite small in this specimen. It's probably young, but yeah, you can locate it's a pair. So this squid is a female. Oh, here. Oh, you could see the branchial heart very well here. This is it. You see? And if you kind of flip it around, you will see exactly the same heart on the side. Ta-da! It's the structure helps figure out. Structure helps to figure out which is what. On preserved fish or squid, it's way harder to interpret it, but on the live ones, you have this great opportunity to see how they are in action. Oh, and what we else see here is this large siphon retractor muscle, very strong muscle that helps with the swimming. If we pull everything aside, we'll be able to feel the pen, and not just feel it, we can remove it. Just like that. This is a pen. Support system of the squid. They want to touch it. Down here. Nervous system of the squid is very hard to visualize, so I'm not going into the head right now. We tried, haven't had much success, but if you will be able to find squid's brain, it's pretty large. Let me know.